Every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Sini Pak,
You want to know
biar
about
clear. Bu,
You
ada
come
Pak.
here and
Yep.
develop on this machine.
Yes, yeah.
What do you expect for tomorrow?
Mungkin dari sana.
Indonesia.
Dari
Very
sana,
good.
Pak.
Yeah, good question. So initially it's about the technology, and we know that this type of technology works very well. So we decided to ask Lombok if it's okay to bring it here. So we talked to the governor and the vice governor. They said, no problem. And then they invited us into Breda, the space. And so we set up this machine. This machine is to convert plastic into oil, which you've seen over here. And then there's a next process, which turns the oil into gasoline, diesel, naphtha, and kerosene.
Nafta for the plastic.
Naphtha, you can make new plastic with naphtha, yeah. Or it's like a octane additive
Yes.
for gasoline, for benzene. So you bring the octane level up, so it's got a lot of more power, you know. So the stage that we are at now is we've run the machine, we've worked with the plastic that's been generated from Lombok.
Yes.
We know we can process a wide variety of plastic. We know we can do snack packaging, styrofoam, flip-flops, plastic bags, lots of different material. The material that you see washing up on the beaches all the time. That's what we're after. That's what we want to buy from the Bank Sampah. So we've been working with the Bank Sampah to see how their networks work as well. We've run the machine, we've processed the oil. We've done lab scale distillation to find the diesel, the gasoline and the naphtha and the kerosene. We've had the results tested by Sukfindo, and we've had the emissions of the machine tested by the government here in Lombok. So everything is passing. So now we're working with the Commonwealth Science Research Institute of Australia to help us to make the system even better. And we will build the distillation part of the machine here, because now we're ready. We've done all of that work before. Now we're ready to move on to the second stage, which is producing high quality diesel, low sulfur diesel, and high quality gasoline from this process. Yeah.
So you solve the problem. Environmental issue.
Not at all. No. This is part of the solution. So it's about reducing plastic waste. It's about reducing what we buy. It's about finding alternatives. Right now, this is the small machine. So if we scale this up for West Lombok community, 300,000, we need 6 10-ton machines. This is 1 ton.
It's 1 ton.
Yeah, so the 20 tons of plastic would fill up this entire area here. Yeah. So we need to scale up our operation so we can manage 20 tons or 30 tons per day. Then we can open the doors to everyone in the community and buy the plastic. The idea is that we incentivize the collection and the purchase by purchasing the plastic. Because there's a lot of work involved, right? So you've got to collect it from the household, you've got to sort it, you've got to bring it to us. So we pay the Bank Sampah to do that. Yeah, we're not sure about the exact price, but we have been paying 1,500 to 2,000 per kilo.
1,000.
So the way we structure the business behind this is so that we can use the revenue from the sale of the fuel to pay the community to collect the plastic as an incentive to collect the plastic. Yeah. So this is our long-term target is to have every household in Indonesia open or allowed to collect their plastic waste and then give it to their Bank Sampah and then bring it to us. So if we can scale it up big enough, That's a lot of machines. So we need to work with the Indonesian government. We're working with the Australian government. We're working with the World Health Organization. We're talking with mining contracting companies about building this in Indonesia. And we're talking with lots of different foundations about putting in the capital that we need to get started. Yeah.
We need more collaboration.
We need it's coming together now. Since Corona's finished, this year has been, everybody's allowed to move again. So the collaborations are coming together. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Balitbangda siap.